Hello guys, today we're going to restore this brake caliper. First we need to remove these plastic caps which are hiding the screws for the sliders. These caps are also included in the repair kit, which I will provide links for later. You need a 7mm Allen key, and hopefully should do this by hand. Oh, here we go. That was super tight. Here we have the other one. And there we have the other one. One spring out, and here we have the caliper mounting bracket. Then try to push the piston back in. Okay, then fluid is out in a container. Then I like to loosen this bleed nipple if I look it. Oh yes. Excellent. Then everything is almost ready. We need to remove this plastic slider caps. We are not going to reuse them, so it's just a matter of getting them out. There we go. And the other one. Oh, there we go. And there we have it. Some marks on the piston here, but still okay. I still think I will order a new one to replace complete. Oh, here is some nasty stuff inside. Brake fluid. Okay, I'm going to empty it in the box. This one is definitely garbage. I now need to take out this seal, and for that job I like to do this nice pick with a little hook inside. Just be careful when you do this, so don't damage anything. And here we go. Then we're starting the cleaning process and putting it in the degreasing bath. See how it goes. Okay, now the parts are partially cleaned, at least from all the loose gravel and thing that I could get out of it. So now it is time to take it to the sandblaster cabinet, which I am so lucky to have at work. So let's wrap this up and take it to work. Okay, here we are at the glass blaster cabinet. And this is how the caliper looks like. So let look at this, guys. This is just amazing. What a result. Looks brand new. Fantastic. When you're done with the blasting, then it's important to clean everything, of course. So I use brake cleaner. Then off to the paint booth to paint the calipers. When you have prepared the calipers, clean them really good and put the tape and everything inside all the holes. Then we are ready to paint. I have chosen this one. It's supposed to be for the brake caliper paint. So let's see how that goes. Painting finished. Now we have to wait until tomorrow, until everything is dried. But it looks good so far. Then we are finished with the painting, and I got it back from the paint shop. Everything looks excellent. Very nice finish on this. I know it's a little hard to show it on the camera, but looks brand new. So now we need to remove all these papers and tape that I have inside. Oh, still some sand from the sandblasting. Well, we'll have to deal with that later. But everything looks very nice to me. Yes, it is. Okay guys, then it's time to rebuild the brakes. I got my package from with spare part from Big Red in UK. I will provide links for it down below so you can take a look for yourself. It went really fast, only a few days, and it was delivered to my doorstep here in Norway. Fantastic company. The caliper was painted, and now we need to do some cleaning inside here because there are always some paint and old dirt left inside. It's a little hard to show on the camera, but you will understand. So put the glasses on and start the Dremel. Okay, I'm happy with that. So let's open the box and see. Okay, one card, plastic bag with the gaskets and some grease, and 2 pistons. Let's start by checking the pistons are fitting nicely. Make sure you clean the piston from all the glue or whatever it's inside this plastic bag with the brake cleaner. It's important. Get off all the residue and all the sticky stuff. And when everything is correct assembled, it should slide down by itself. Amazing, eh? Fantastic. Then we can go ahead. Okay, here we have the parts. Sorry, let me show you. Here we have the parts for one caliper. It's the brake seal, which go first. and a dust seal. Then the 2 gliders, 2 caps for the gliders, 1 new bleed valve, and 1 red protection cap for dust. So we need to start with this one. Put it inside. It's a slot. And it should be something like this. Everything should fit nicely with no problems. Make sure everything is well greased with this silicone grease, and the piston should move easily in with just 2 fingers. And everything is correct. Yes, see, it's going in, and it's no way to get it out except for using compressed air. So let's put a rag in between. Here we go. Then this is okay, and we now need to put on this one first before the piston is entered. So again, grease. So this lip should now fit in the outermost groove. This is the tricky part. And here we go. Easy. And then it pops straight into the groove when you are at this stage. So let's see if this works by using the compressed air again. Oh yes. Looks nice. Fantastic. Okay. Then new bleed nipple, but we will wait with that. No. Then we need these 2. They are inserted from this side and out. So again, some grease, because these are pretty hard rubbers. Here we are. Then this one. we are. And number 2. Fantastic, eh? And the gliders is supposed to be fastened here. Then you need a 7mm Allen key. And here it is, nice and smooth. So, then it's the bleed nipple. Like this, and then these caps of course are on here, and then one here. That's it really. One caliper rebuilt. Looks brand new to me. Fantastic. Yeah. Job well done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.